Most people think if a tablet isn't an iPad or a Galaxy Tab, it's not worth buying. But that belief is exactly why some of the best value tablets on the market are being completely overlooked. Right now on Amazon, there are tablets that cost hundreds less than an iPad, yet offer smoother displays, longer battery life, better multitasking, and features Apple either removed or makes you pay extra to get back. These brands don't spend millions on marketing, so they fly under the radar, even though the hardware is shockingly good. In this video, I'm breaking down 9 mind-blowing Amazon tablets that are cheaper than an iPad and rank among the best budget tablets of 2026. Check the links in the description for the best deals, and let's get into it. Introducing the ultra-accessible Lenovo Tab M11, an excellent choice for everyday tasks and media consumption. This 128GB version, available at a highly attractive price, often around $179, delivers impressive value. It features a bright 11-inch display, 1920 by 1200 pixels, and solid performance from the MediaTek Helio G88 octa-core chip paired with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. The robust 10-hour battery ensures reliable longevity. The most important feature where the Tab M11 truly surpasses the standard iPad is the included folio case. Unlike the iPad, which requires a separate, expensive cover, this major pro means you get protection and a stand right in the box, saving you money instantly. Running the familiar Android software, the Tab M11 is best for browsing and light productivity. The main con is the 4GB RAM may limit intense multitasking, but at this price, the accessories and specs are a clear win. Introducing the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Se, the new benchmark for budget entertainment, often found at a highly accessible price around $199 for the 4GB RAM, 128GB storage model. You'll be immediately impressed by the premium feel of its metal unibody design. Content comes to life on the vibrant 11-inch display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, powered by an octa-core chip for solid everyday performance. The substantial 8,000 mAh battery provides excellent endurance for binge watching. While the processor is a minor con for heavy gaming, this tablet offers a clear advantage over the equivalent iPad. It includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. This simple Pro lets you plug in your favorite wired headphones for lossless audio without needing an adapter. Running Xiaomi's MIU iPad software based on Android, the tablet provides a customizable experience with incredible audio thanks to its quad speakers and Dolby Atmos support. For a seamless entertainment hub, the Redmi Pad Se is hard to beat. This is the TCL NXTPAPER 11 Plus Android tablet, a device that fundamentally changes how you view a screen. Available at a fantastic price, often around $239, it offers incredible value with a stylus and flip case included. The 11.5-inch 2.2K display with a 120Hz refresh rate delivers sharp visuals, backed by an octa-core chip, 8GB RAM, and 256GB storage for smooth performance. The large 8,000 mAh battery ensures long working sessions. The key advantage that makes this tablet superior to the iPad is its NXTPAPER 4.0 display technology. This matte screen significantly reduces glare and filters blue light, providing a genuine paper-like reading experience that dramatically lowers eye strain. This eye comfort focus is a huge pro, perfect for students and writers. The main con is that the MediaTek processor, while capable, won't match the raw power of a high-end iPad chip. Running the latest Android software, the NXTPAPER 11 Plus is your all-in-one digital notebook. This is the Lenovo Idea Tab Pro TB373FU, a premium Android slate designed for power users, now available at the specific price of $309.99. It boasts a stunning 12.7-inch 3K display, offering incredible detail and size for an immersive viewing experience. Inside, the powerful MediaTek Dimensity 8300 octa-core chip ensures high-end performance, backed by 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It runs on the latest Android 14 software, giving you access to all the modern features and apps. This Lenovo truly beats the standard iPad with its display size. At a huge 12.7 inches, it offers significantly more screen real estate than the 10.9-inch iPad, making it a dream for multitasking and media consumption a massive pro. While the large size can be a slight con for portability, the ample battery life ensures all-day use. If you need a gorgeous, massive screen without the iPad price, this is a strong contender. Meet the OnePlus Pad 3, a true challenger to the premium tablet market, available at a competitive price starting around $579.99 for the 12GB RAM and 256GB storage model. Housed in an incredibly slim 5.97mm aluminum body, this tablet is built around an unparalleled 13.2-inch 3.4K LCD display that boasts an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Powering this beast is the flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, delivering blazing fast performance for any task. But here is where the OnePlus Pad 3 firmly surpasses the iPad: its charging speed. The massive 12,140 mAh battery provides up to 18 hours of video playback, a huge pro. And thanks to 80-watt SuperVOOC charge, you can top it up in a fraction of the time it takes the competition. Running optimized Oxygen OS software, it also features cinematic 8-speaker Dolby Atmos audio. The main con is the lack of a cellular option. This Pad 3 redefines fast and smooth. Introducing the all-new Amazon Fire Max 11 tablet, Amazon's most powerful yet, designed to deliver exceptional value. This tablet, often priced around $229.99 for the 64GB version with ads, is built for entertainment. It boasts a vivid 11-inch display and is powered by a fast octa-core processor with 4GB RAM, providing responsive performance for streaming and browsing. You get reliable 64GB storage, expandable up to 1TB via microSD, a major pro. The biggest feature where this tablet clearly beats the iPad is its durability. Built with a sleek aluminum design and strengthened glass, the Fire Max 11 is 3 times more durable than the iPad 10.9-inch 10th generation in tumble tests, making it excellent for families. The 14-hour battery life ensures all-day use. The main con is the locked Fire OS software, which limits official access to the Google Play Store. But for Amazon content and media, it is unbeatable at this price. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus 11-inch Android tablet, offering a premium experience without the high cost, often around $199.99. It features an upgraded chipset for reliable performance and a large 11-inch display with a smooth 90Hz refresh rate, complemented by immersive quad speakers. Powering it all is a long-lasting 7,040 mAh battery, keeping you going through the day. Running on up-to-date Android software with One UI, it excels at multitasking with its multi-window display. While it comes with a solid 128GB of storage, the standout feature that truly beats the iPad is the expandable storage via a dedicated microSD card slot, letting you add up to 1TB affordably. This is a massive pro for media enthusiasts. The main con is the slower 15-watt wired charging. Overall, the Tab A9 Plus delivers a big screen, great audio, and unmatched storage flexibility for a budget-friendly price. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, a feature-rich Android powerhouse designed to challenge the competition. Available at a competitive price, often around $319, it provides high-end specs without the premium cost. It features a large, bright 12.4-inch display perfect for media creation. The Exynos chip delivers strong, reliable performance, coupled with a generous 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. The large battery ensures you stay productive all day. The key advantage that clearly makes the S9 FE Plus superior to the iPad is its included S Pen. While Apple charges extra for their pencil, the S Pen comes right in the box, saving you significant money, a major pro for artists and students. Running on One UI based on Android software, it offers robust multitasking and DeX desktop mode functionality. The main con is that the Exynos chip might not match the top-tier iPad Pro performance. This Tab S9 FE Plus redefines value. Meet the Google Pixel Tablet, Google's unique vision for the home and on the go. This 128GB model, often found at a competitive price of $329, features a sharp 11-inch display and is powered by the flagship Google Tensor G2 chip, giving you incredible performance and exclusive AI capabilities. With 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, the Pixel tablet is built for speed, and its extra-long battery life keeps pace with your day. The feature that clearly makes this tablet superior to the iPad is the included charging speaker dock. This accessory transforms the tablet into a smart display with hub mode when docked, giving you hands-free access to smart home controls and Google Assistant, a huge pro for home use. Running the pure Android software experience, the Pixel tablet offers seamless integration with other Pixel devices. The only potential con is the slightly higher initial price point, but the dock makes it two products in one. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.